get back at it. I figured I'd be working on this today. We're gonna pull this wiring harness out and we're gonna clean the engine bay. Then we're gonna paint. Put a quick coat of paint in there. Nothing special, nothing perfect, just to make it look a little better than it does. Because it's got all these little rust spots and stuff in there. So I'm just gonna clean up, take a wire wheel, and we're gonna clean up the rust and then shoot a little paint in here, and that's it. Something quick, easy. I only want to spend maybe an hour or two, tops 3 on this project, and that's it. Then we're gonna move on, get back to working on the engine. Alrighty, got that brake booster pulled out and the clutch master cylinder. Got the wiring harness yanked out, and I got it laid over the side of the fender over here. And now I'm gonna take some purple power, I'm gonna squirt it all up in here and then shoot it out with the hose. Gotta get it as clean as possible. Shoot it down with the perp. I'm gonna get in here with a pressure washer and blast all this grime out of here. Yeah, not looking for this to be perfect, just to get it a little cleaner, make it look a little nicer under the hood. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be good enough. Yeah, I was unaware purple power will strip off a base coat, but either way I'm painting it, so it doesn't matter. Purple power did, I swear I sprayed it on there and it turned to milk. That's what it looked like after I sprayed it on there. I rubbed my hand on it. Yeah, it looked like milk. But she's looking good. Now I just gotta do a little grinding, some wire wheels and sanding and whatnot, and then we'll throw a little paint in there. But yeah, all that ain't gonna happen today because this is all wet and I can't paint on a wet surface. So well, at least the first part's done. The washing. Alright, so I'm gonna get up in this engine bay with this wire wheel. I'm gonna clean up that rusty shit. Yeah, this big spot over here from the battery, and a couple other little spots in the front. Mainly right there where the battery was. Did a little wire wheeling, got it cleaned up somewhat. Got a little primer on the spots that I did clean up. Over here and a little over there. Alright, so it's kind of late in the evening, so I figured before the sunset I would try to pressure wash my undercarriage. Got it pushed out here in the driveway. I got my pressure washer sitting there. Just got to set it up and I'm going to go at it. Get her squirted down with some purple power. Woo. Oh no! Shit. The cord broke. I went to give it too hard of a yank and the cord broke off the pressure washer. Oh. Well, that sucks. I guess I'm not getting this done tonight or today. Alright, never mind. Found me some of the pull rope here, so I'll be able to get this fixed right now. Awesome! I got that front plate off here. Just got to string that in this handle. Do that little spinner. And we'll be back in business. Alright, got that all back together. Now time for round 2. Didn't make my knot big enough. More spraying. All right, now that's all done.